Hi, welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. This is Jessica's family. We got there. The other side is Butchoy. Butchoy, say hi.
Hi.
Ang hina.
Lakasan mo.
Hi.
Yeah, that's Butchoy there. And then RJ. Hi.
Hi.
And we got Rohan there. A crying baby. Just got up. So, and then there's Jessica there. And then we're gonna share them because they just arrived here and they just have few clothes. So we're gonna give them some clothes. This is for Rohan. Some jeans and sleeveless. And then for RJ, oh, it's Batchoy. Batchoy.
Lahat.
Lahat. So we got some sleeveless for Batchoy. some jeans. Batchoy, ito pa. Some t-shirt for your for church. And then also short. This boy has no clothes, you know. Oh, ang laki-laki ng smile na walang ipin. And then we got for RJ some t-shirt. Smile. Some jeans.
Ang pa. Ayusin mo naman, RJ.
And then shorts. Say thank you.
Thank you.
And then since RJ going to school next week, we got some for addition. All around house color books. Then subtraction. And also color. He's going to be grade 1. And subtraction? Subtraction. Yeah, subtraction. Thank you, Mama. I got some correction here. I know that somebody corrected me. Thank you, Sebastian Asia, for my title. I gonna give you water when you arrive to the Philippines. A bucket of water, Sebastian.
Thank you very much, Mr. and Mrs. O. God bless.
Butsoy.
Oh, thank you.
Lakasan.
Lakasan mo. Thank you, Mrs. O.
Thank you, Mrs. O. God bless.
Butsoy.
But